Alrighty, guys. Good morning. It's Dave Santarelli from BreakingChartAlerts.com. Guys, I am getting our trades ready here. We have a big trade on Facebook we got at the end of the day yesterday. Markets are opening here, and I'm going to be locking in first. Trade on Facebook. I'm going to let that go first couple of, let's say first minutes.
Now open for trade. Good luck.
All right, here we go, guys. Great luck today.
Just after open.
Uber trade is up $315. We got a 20% gain on Uber trade.
New high in S&P 500 futures. That's up about 0.8%.
Alrighty, I got a $6,000 profit, guys, on our Facebook trade here. Take a look. Take a look at those numbers right here. Up 87%, up $6,700. I am locking that baby in right now.
Power intelligence search for the Indonesian online presence of a global athletic brand. That brand looks like not named here. No terms disclosed. That ticker BLIN.
Let's see. Let's get that order sold here. What's it going for?
Vizio, ticker Victor Zulu India Oscar company, announcing a strategic partnership with Verizon Media to advance connected TV and omni-channel advertising.
Alrighty, guys, we sold our Facebook, $26 a contract. We are out of Facebook here. $26 a contract. We just locked in a wonderful gain on that trade right there. I'm sharing that in the trade room here, guys. Just locked in a hell of a gain on the Facebook trade.
Code Diagnostics, ticker
Let's see.
Delta X-ray company.
Here we go. I'm sharing this with you in the trade room. This is live from the account.
Testing and future applications of PCR in its 360DX webinar. That's ticker Charlie Oscar Delta X-ray.
That is a massive gain, guys. Right there. Let's see.
Foresight, Autonomous, ticker Foxtrot Romeo Sandy X-ray shares selling off here from.
Just sold that out. I always share this with our clients in the trade room. There is our closing price. That's nice. Facebook pulled back. Now let me go and close out these other ones here.
Sandy X-ray. S&P 500 futures marking a session high at 42.11 and pulling back about 5 points here over the last minute. 42.06 and a half last trade in S&P 500 futures.
All right, let's see what's Qualcomm doing. Qualcomm pulled back a little bit. Wow, did you guys see Carnival Cruise Line today? CCL. Look at CCL. Look at that pop we got on CCL. Wow, what a climb, guys. I am closing out everything here. I got a QQQ call. That's up big. I'm closing that out here. 289. I just closed out our Q calls. Had that as a day trade yesterday, but it was down and I knew we were going to have a big beat, so held on to that overnight. Carnival Cruise Line, guys, still climbing. Still climbing on CCL. All right, JP Morgan, June 19th, we're up big on that. We got a big gain on that. We got $5,000 tied up in it. I'm going to close that out now as well. Efrain, the JP Morgan, June 18th, 150 call. I'm going to close out of this Uber trade that expires in the trade challenge account first here. Alrighty, Efren, I just sold our Uber trade. The Uber, what was it here? The Uber April 30th 58.50 call, sold it at 86 cents. Let's see now about our
General
vertical
Motors
spread
ticker
on
Golf
Qualcomm
also
that we
shares
have.
of 4 ticker F shares dipping to a session low just after the open. Ford shares trading down about 7%. GM shares trading down about
I'm going to close out of this
2.5%
Qualcomm
here.
trade while we still have a nice gain on it. Let's see, 40 contracts, 144, 145. 40 contracts.
Weight Watchers, WW, that's ticker Whiskey coming out with press release highlighting the presentation of Oprah's Your Life in Focus Spring Forward Stronger virtual experience. A press release just out highlighting it. This event will take place on Saturday, May 8th at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. That's ticker Whiskey. Snap ticker Sandy November Alpha Papa shares rebounding from around the 62.40 level, moving over the $63 level on a spike in volume over just the last couple minutes here. The stock up about 2%.
All right, guys, we closed the Qualcomm vertical spread, 32 cents a contract here.
Note that move lower in Snap coming in contrast to a move, move higher in Snap coming in contrast to a move lower in Facebook. Facebook shares pulling back from around
Facebook shares pulled back,
level.
guys. We did a great job selling that off.
25.70.
Nicely done.
6% here. Ticker FB.
I'm going to get out of JP Morgan here, too, while we got a nice gain on that.
Pharma, ticker Charlie Tango X-Ray Romeo Company.
Efren, I am out of the JP Morgan June 18th 150 strike call. I am out at 760 a contract, 7.60.
X-Ray Romeo.
I'm closing out some trade Zamboni, so I'll be with you in a minute. There we go. All right, that was sold 760 JP Morgan. Here was the trade challenge trade. We closed out on JP Morgan, completed at 7.60. Qualcomm is on the run again here, guys. Qualcomm was just upgraded as well. Alrighty, I'm going to show you what I just locked in profit-wise for the morning. What time is it? 9:38.
Jaguar Health ticker.
Man, this E-Trade is really slow today.
Launching a $10.8 million registered direct offering. Says for the benefit of NAPO EU business plan. That's ticker Juliet Alpha Golf X-Ray.
Guys, how much profit did I tell you I was going to make this week?
Jaguar Health, ticker JAGX, shares quiet here following that offering news. That's ticker Juliet Alpha Golf X-Ray shares down.
Let's see who gets it right. What did I tell you guys I was going to make this week?
And ticker JAGX.
Let's see, 20 grand, guys, right? Right? Bam, there it is, $21,249.84. That's how it's done, guys. High fives. Nice job. Hell of a week from 426. Everyone in the trade room, I said, guys, what did I tell you I was going to make this week? Everyone said 20,000, 20,000, 20,000.
Trading around the
Everyone.
137 level at the open. Stock now trading around 134.
Amazing job, guys. Amazing job.
About 0.6%. That's ticker Alpha Alpha Papa Lima.
So from 426 to 429, that's what, 3 days there. Total gain, $21,249.84. Hell of a game, guys. Nicely done.
Palantir, ticker Papa Lima Tango Romeo, shares briefly turning negative after marking a session.
That is a hell of a week,
level.
guys.
The stock touching below the 2380 level. Shares about flat.
Thank you, Josh.
Now.
Josh, are you done here with your father? Look at those profits, guys. Look at those profits. We had a hell of a week. Big gains on, let's see, our biggest one, Facebook for sure. Facebook for sure. 7,100 into 13,000. And that AMD that we did earlier, well, no, we did that last Friday, right? Or did we do that one on Monday? Whatever we did, 4,200 bucks, $580 on AMD, 780 bucks on AMD. Then we did the Amazon day trades yesterday. These were all day trades. We were in and out of really quick yesterday. They made a ton there too. 1,571, 796, 1,197. 456, 531, minus $4 on that one. Oh, I'm exhausted, guys. I was at the urgent care with my daughter all night long. She, I thought it was something like strep or something, but she has hand, foot, and mouth disease. Oh my God! I didn't even think that was common or people got that anymore, but hand, foot, and mouth disease. So was there till about 5:30 in the morning. Look at that, $5,800 on Facebook. Here was a vertical spread that we had on Bank of America. Closed that out for a small gain. Google was a day trade. MasterCard was our paycheck trade. Remember that? We made 1,100 bucks on that paycheck trade. This is the part of that spread we had on Qualcomm. Efren's putting up those closed trades on YouTube there now. Facebook, JPM. Let's close out that Qualcomm trade. Nice job here, guys. That Facebook, 81% gain. That was a big freaking trade there. That was a massive trade. I should have held on to that Qualcomm a little bit better, longer, guys. Qualcomm's continuing to run here. Nice breakout on Qualcomm. Let's see. Tyler says AMD looks like it wants to climb again. Let's see AMD. AMD's ready for a climb, Tyler. Absolutely. I'm putting that on my sticky pad right here. My sticky pad is special preference. AMD. There was another one that I liked too. Let me get on the watch list here. I like Qualcomm. That had a big upgrade. Let's see here. I'm going to go down the watch list here quick. See what that other one was that I really liked on a daily chart here. Let's see. Amazon. Look at Amazon. Amazon earnings are after the bell today. That thing's going to go to 37 to 3,800, I bet. I think I'm going to use some of those profits that I locked in for that, definitely for that Amazon trade. I think I might do an out-of-the-money vertical spread that has, a decent chance. So, see, what I like to look for is that implied move. If it has an implied move, let's say of 4.3%, I'll calculate, okay, what's that 4.3% move up and down? And then I'll look for an an out-of-the-money vertical spread on Amazon, but within that implied move. And that's what we did on Qualcomm.
About 5%.
Uber's still climbing there. There's Baidu. I'm just going down this daily chart quick. I wanted to see which one. Guys, we did a great job selling Facebook. Facebook's going to be hitting 350 a share, though.
Trading up about 0.25% here.
She's going to run for 350 from now until, look at that chart on Google. That just looks great. I think Google's going to have a big run going forward here. I'd love to jump in something on Google for next week. I'm going to be looking for a day trade in a bit here. Disney wants to climb. I think that's going to start to climb next week now. Netflix still has that hook pattern. Remember a hook pattern, right, guys? What is our hook pattern we're looking for? So right here, as you guys could see, we have that big drop. We have base support here. And now we're going to be looking for that hook up to the next resistance at 525. R1 equals T1, target 1. So that's what we're going to be looking for there with Netflix. We got to wait for that breakout above this area, though. That's going to be our entry for that hook pattern.
Tesla ticker TSLA shares marking a new session low around the
Tesla shares new session lows.
Positive territory here, up about
Jerry said she made 19,000 on Facebook. Nice job, Jerry. Nice job. Made 19 grand on Facebook. Hell of a job there, Jerry. Jerry is one of our star traders for sure. Seems like women have a lot of discipline when it comes to trading. I love that. Love seeing that. Nice job, Jerry. Let's see. Wow, these gains are unbelievable this week. Unbelievable. I'd love to find some really nice day trade setups. Guys, FedEx is starting to move here. FDX. Look at that move on FedEx. She's going to be running for that, $300 area. I think I might do another FedEx trade. We have a FedEx trade actually right now. I hope you guys are in it. So there's the gain so far this week. $21,249.84. Not bad. But here is what I'm looking for next. I got a pretty decent sized trade on FedEx here. I have the FedEx June 18th 290 strike call, and we picked that up for $11.20 a contract. We got 10 contracts, so it was $11,200 trade. It's obviously going for more than $11.20 because we're green on this trade. There's what we're up on it. Here's what we're up overall. Here's what we're up today. We're up 1,525. It came right back like we said, and she's still on the climb there. Let me refresh. Now we're already up 1,700 on that trade. So do you see what I mean now about the cycles, guys, of the market? There's a reason why we got, June 18th expo on FedEx compared to this week's expo. There's a reason why we got that. We're up 3.3% now, $1,725 for the day, $370 total so far on that FedEx trade. And like I said, that's for the June 18th expiration. We got 2 months to go for that. So I really think we're going to have a continued breakout and look for that $300 on FedEx. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to add to that trade. You see right now I have 10 contracts at an average price of $11.20. I'm going to add 5 more contracts to that trade right now. Let's see. Let's go to add here. I'm going to add 5 more contracts.
Royal Caribbean ticker Romeo Charlie Lima shares up about 1.5% here. Note that the company's exec currently on CNBC interviewing. That's ticker RCL.
I put in that order. It was not executed yet. There we go. Finally, we got a partial execution. Had it at 11.55 a contract. FedEx is still on the climb here, guys. FedEx is taking off. This is a nice setup on FedEx. I like it. I might even get something next week for this trade here on FedEx. I would like to see it drop back down to 290. I'll pick up some contracts for next week's Expo if it does that. She's still breaking higher though. Nice breakout on FedEx here, guys. Our Carnival Cruise Line trade came right back today. Right back. Let's see what Walmart's doing. Our Walmart June 18 trade's up nicely.
Reuters reporting that the FDA has said it is committing to advancing two tobacco product standards to significantly reduce
Walmart's having a big day, guys,
death,
up 1.21%. Nice
using
climb there.
combusted tobacco products. FDA says it's working toward issuing proposed product standards
Qualcomm's on the run
next
again.
year.
Let's see what
Again,
AMD is
menthol
doing.
as characterizing flavor in cigarettes. Again, that report via Reuters.
FedEx is still climbing, guys. Still breaking higher on FedEx. See, we're up $2,000 now on that FedEx trade already. We were up 1,725 bucks. Now up. This is what I mean about letting the trade, give the trades their time, you know? Give the trades their time. Here's what we're up now on the FedEx trade. FedEx June 18th. We are up now 5% overall. 1,975 bucks today. Actually, let me refresh that now. FedEx is taking off again here, guys. Look at what we're up now for the day. Up over $2,000 on that FedEx trade as she continues to break out. And the guys, Carnival Cruise Line and Disney are next. We just broke $2,000 for the day on FedEx, 5.23%. Still on the climb. Looking good here, guys. Looking great. All right, let me continue to go on this watch list here, see if I find anything else good on a 3-month daily for a possible swing trade for next week. I'd like to see that earnings calendar tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll go over that earnings calendar for next week, and we could find some nice trades tomorrow for next week's Expo and do the same thing we did last Friday for this week. It worked like a charm, and I told you about JP Morgan. You guys got worried a little bit here when we pulled back. That went in the green. Took those profits. That was great. I'll be looking for another trade on the financials soon.
0.6% here for the session.
Qualcomm's pulling back a little bit there. Uber's starting to climb again. Take a look at Uber. Guys, remember we went over the Uber chart? Remember what kind of pattern was this? If you guys weren't with us, we were going over. This is called an ascending triangle, right? So this is called an ascending triangle. Ascending triangle. And as you can see, we've been coming down to support. And we've been holding and continuing that climb. Now, the nice thing about an ascending triangle, this is where you're going to see the largest momentum and the biggest shift come in. So once you get a green candle above this yellow resistance area, now we bought it on the lows right here. These are areas where you buy it. You buy the dips on the support here, right? That's what that is. Right here, this up here is a new entry. So if we get this candle right here above this resistance that we've been seeing, so that's the resistance that we've been seeing here on Uber. And like I said, this is called an ascending triangle. So we come down to support here, and it's a classic textbook ascending triangle. You buy on the dips, you climb. This is what we did on our Uber trade. We closed that out for a nice gain. We got to add that one to the YouTube as well. We closed out Uber for a nice gain on that. Big gain on Uber there. Now what I'm going to be looking at is if we break this resistance on Uber, like I shared right here, if we break that, that's where I'm going to add a larger trade. Maybe, you know, maybe a $20,000-$25,000 trade, and then get something for 6 to 12 months out till Expo, and look for that quick, you know, 50 to 75% return. So not bad there, guys. A heck of a day. Heck of a day. Let's see here. Guys, that's how you do it right there. That's how it's done. Let me see. Let me just get this. So that
Technology ETF, that's ticker
is a heck of a gain there.
Kilo.
And now what we're going to do is start looking for what we're going to do next week.
141.71 last trade.
That was a great job today, guys. Alrighty, guys on YouTube, heading off of here. If you guys want to come join us, make sure you guys join us. BreakingChartAlerts.com. If you have any questions, hit this green button down here. You'll get a nice little pop-up. You guys could chat with us. If you guys want to come join us in the live trade room, go to live trading, live trade room. If you want to join us live on camera on Zoom, you click these links below here under live trading. If you want to see our trades, you go here, trade alerts. It'll show you all of our active trades. Great place there to check out the trades. All right, education. Here's all of our classes. Here's our lesson libraries. We've updated videos there. Great for you guys. Trade challenge account. We're starting a new trade challenge, guys. May 17th, I believe it is. You know, so great job, guys. Hell of a job today. Make sure you guys come join us. BreakingChartAlerts.com. Get signed up there and come join us in the live chat room there. And to join, guys, all you have to do is go to Join Now Membership Pricing Plans. And if you guys want to join us, you guys could use promo code RALLY for the Elite Pro Trader here. Instead of paying $2,500, That'll drop it down to, let's see here. That'll drop it down to $2,125. A nice savings there. And then obviously we have the trader package here. That includes the morning trading, the trade room, trade plan, trade challenge. Pro Trader includes text alerts, app alerts, morning trading, live trading in the morning, afternoon, and everything else that you get with Trader. Elite Pro Trader, you get a private one-on-one with Efren, one with me, and you save money on the yearly membership as well. So come join us, guys, and we will be in the live trade room. And I will see YouTube guys. I'll see you guys in the trade room. Take care, guys. Have a great day. Nice job today locking in those profits. Catch you later.